In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopee. By the end, your CJ Dropshipping account will be linked to your Shopee shop, so you can streamline product sourcing and order fulfillment without manual effort. Let's begin inside your CJ Dropshipping dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the option that says Add Store. It's typically in the store or authorization area of the sidebar. Click Add Store to open the connection window. This is where you choose which marketplace you want to connect. When the platform list appears, select Shopee. Choosing Shopee here tells CJ exactly which integration workflow to launch. If you manage multiple marketplaces, make sure you're picking Shopee so the right permissions and connection steps load. The page may briefly check for your region and shop availability before moving forward. Next, click Install. This button starts the integration process and prepares the necessary permissions between CJ Dropshipping and Shopee. In many cases, you'll see a quick loading screen and then be prompted to continue. If your browser asks to open a new tab or allow a pop-up, go ahead and allow it so the authorization page can open properly. After installation, you should see Shopee visible in your CJ interface, confirming that the platform has been added. This is your cue that the base connection is set up, but it still needs authorization from Shopee to go live. Think of it like adding a device and then giving it permission to access your account. Now, click Add Store again to complete authorization. Choose Shopee once more and proceed to authorize. Follow the prompts on your screen carefully. You'll be directed to Shopee's secure authorization page, where you may be asked to sign in, select the specific shop you want to connect, and grant permissions so CJ can sync products and orders. Review the permissions, confirm, and continue. Keep the browser tab open until the process completes, and avoid navigating away during authorization to prevent timeouts. When the authorization finishes, you'll be returned to CJ Dropshipping and your Shopee store should appear as connected. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page to update the status. From here, you're ready to manage listings, map products, and let orders sync automatically. If anything doesn't load, disable any pop-up blockers. Ensure you're using the correct Shopee region and try the authorization again. That's it, your CJ Dropshipping account is now connected to Shopee.